In this video, I'll show you how to exactly deposit on Olymp Trade. Basically, it is extremely simple. Firstly, you need to log into your Olymp Trade account. And by the way, if you don't have an account on Olymp Trade, then you can sign up to Olymp Trade and you'll get huge amount of first time deposit bonus and also the recurring bonuses that Olymp Trade provides you time to time. If you want those all things, then I've given a link of the official site of Olymp Trade in the description of this video. Sign up to Olymp Trade using that link. So to deposit on Olymp Trade, firstly you need to log into your Olymp Trade account, okay, no matter you are from mobile or whatever, okay, browser or an app, okay, just log in, okay, and then you'll see this payment section at here. So just click on this payments, okay, and then you'll see deposit, withdraw, transfer, transactions. Just click on this deposit. Now here you need to decide the amount that you want to invest, like 10, 20, 30, 100, okay, the minimum deposit is 10. So whichever amount you want to deposit, just select that, okay, and then now you need to select the payment method. Now if you don't know what perfect money is, then it is a payment method that doesn't even require your identity verification or that kind of thing, okay, but the charge will be a little bit higher. And if you want to use this perfect money, create your account and verify this perfect money account and use it, okay, by verifying or without verifying, then I'll give a link of YouTube video in the description of this video, which will show you exactly how you can create and verify your perfect money account, which is more than easy to do, okay. So you can select the perfect money bank card or any other payment method that is available at here, okay. So for example, if you use the bank card to deposit on Olymp Trade, then you need to understand one thing very clearly. For example, you deposited $1,000 by using bank card and you made a profit of $500. Now your Olymp Trade has total $1,500, right? Now you can only withdraw that $1,000 into your bank card, okay. The amount of deposit that you have done in Olymp Trade, that much amount will be only available for withdraw in bank card, and other $500 either you need to withdraw it in perfect money or any mobile wallet like Skrill, Netlor and so on, okay. That you need to be very clear. So okay, so let's select a bank card for now, okay, because most people are going to do the same thing, and just click on next, okay. So now if you have used the link that I have provided in the description of this video, then you will see some promo code, okay, in this way, like up to 50% of your deposit. But if you use that link, then you can get up to 100% deposit also, deposit bonus also. So do use that link, and then let's click on next. And now you need to confirm, okay, because you will be redirected to the payment system page. So let's click on confirm, and the payment is being processed. So let's wait for some time. So now it's more than easy to make a payment. Just put your card number, okay, everything information at here, okay. Your name should match the name of the name that you have in the Olymp Trade, that should match your name at here, and then just click on pay and then get a OTP from in your mobile device and put that OTP and you're done, okay. Your deposit will be made and you can start to trade on Olymp Trade.